reckon, to think or believe something is true. I reckon we should leave early to avoid the traffic. Core, the central or most important part of something. Trust is at the core of any successful relationship. Deliberate, done intentionally or with careful thought. His movements were slow and deliberate as he arranged the furniture. Elsewhere, in or to another place. If you can't find what you need here, try looking elsewhere. Grab, to take hold of something quickly and suddenly. She managed to grab her keys before the door shut. Urge, to strongly encourage or try to persuade someone to do something. I urge you to take this opportunity seriously. Gig, a performance, usually by a musician or band. The band has a gig at the local pub tomorrow night. Cling, to hold on to something tightly. The child clung to her mother's hand in the crowd. Gabble, to talk rapidly and unintelligibly. He was so nervous during the presentation that he just gabbled the whole time. Gaslight, to manipulate someone by making them question their reality or memory. She realized he had been gaslighting her when she found evidence that contradicted his version of events. Ghost, to suddenly cut off all communication with someone without explanation. I haven't heard from him in weeks. I think he ghosted me. Finicky, fussy and hard to please, often about minor details. My cat is finicky about her food and refuses to eat anything but salmon. Situationship, a romantic or intimate relationship that lacks clear boundaries or official status. They've been in a situationship for months, but neither wants to define it. Ableism, discrimination or prejudice against disabled individuals. The company was accused of ableism for not providing proper accommodations for its disabled employees. Nomophobia, the fear of being without your mobile phone or losing connection. My nomophobia kicks in every time my phone battery is about to die.